Good morning. Good morning. Hello, subscribers. I hope that you are having a great day and it will continue to be a great day because God's mercies are new every morning. So let's command our day and say our day is going to be great. I am preparing to go to the salon. And I wanted you to see what I did to my hair last night in preparation for how I'm going to spend my day. I had to band some of these plaits because they're bigger than others. And if I don't band them, they're going to come loose. Now, if you're watching this video right now and you've not subscribed to my channel, come on, what are you waiting on? Join the G&G family. We're a family that's filled with love and laughter. And we love talking about the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. And I just want you to be a part of my family so that you can influence me positively. And I can do the same for you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you'll know every time I upload a video, which is at least 2 times a week. I think I'm doing a braid out today. It's been a while, I think, since I've just decided to braid my hair and do a braid out. I've noticed that my hair now, it is settling even more, and that it just lays down for me, and I really like it. I like the changes that have come about. At the end of the video, show you what I'm wearing today. I have become a more casual person, and I realize that I am being influenced by other YouTubers, and I'm going to show you that in my next video. I think if not my next one, it will be in the near future, where I show you how I am being influenced. So I am going to decide right now how to style my hair. At the end of this video, I am going to show you my outfit of the day. And there's also a secret that I have, and it may be in the picture, but I will not discuss it. And I want you to tell me if you see what I'm talking about. It'll be in that short clip that shows you what I'm wearing, and I want you to tell me what you see that I do not mention. And I may do a video on that after I see the comments, if anyone notices an elephant in the room. Now I'm going to speed this video up. Now, you know I'm going to use my goodie clip if I'm pulling my hair back. And this was not my intention in the beginning, but I know that when I'm working, my hair, if it's open, will drop in my face when I am in certain positions, and I do not want my hair dropping in my face. And so this will be my style for today. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, I love my family, I love my subscribers and my followers, but I especially love God. And you know this, that God has been good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And I am going to be showing you one of my blessings. And you have to guess what it is in the next clip. That's what I want you to do. So this is my outfit of the day. I am wearing just a sweater. And I chose this color sweater because of the colors in my stockings. And I did tell you that I'm now going for a more casual look. And I am still going to wear my vest today. Since I don't have on one of my t-shirts, this is what I am going to be wearing. These boots keep going and going and going. I've had them now for maybe 2 years. Loving these boots. And this is my outfit of the day. I'm getting ready to walk out the door. And I want you to have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. And now, my 360. Have a great day. Have a great day.